Another project, just an example to give you an idea of what can happen. NCDOT had a little project around, Washington Bypass in eastern North Carolina. A lot of wetlands areas in that area. It's just east of Raleigh, probably about 75 miles. And they had experiences with other highway development with this wetland and problems with their state resource agencies. So they felt it was important with this design-build contract to provide the industry with an incentive to minimize the footprint in the wetland. So they structured a design-build RFP and their selection process with adequate or more than adequate incentives for the industry to do something different as it related to building a structure in a wetland environment. And the successful firm, Flatiron United, developed this gantry system where it was basically top-down construction. No false work, no form work, nothing on the ground in the wetland, and they built the bridge from the top down. And using this gantry system, they put the pile driver out at the end of the gantry, shot the piles out to the pile driver, drove the piles down from the end of the gantry, built the substructure, and then the rest of the structure was like an assembly line with pieces coming in, material coming in underneath the gantry, and then it was pretty much like a automobile assembly line for bridge building. But proposing this made them the successful design builder. No one else had a system like that, and it met NCDOT's criteria for best value selection. So sometimes having the right project goals, the right selection factors, the right key criteria enables the industry to plan, design, and utilize something that we have not done before. Now you asked the question, did the contractor ever reuse this system? And I believe that gantry system is also used for pre-segmental concrete, so there are advantages for him having that system here in the US. And he's certainly using it on other projects, maybe not in this manner, but for this particular project, it worked for NCDOT. It's just to give you an idea of the innovation that's possible when you provide that incentive for the industry to take advantage of this. Comments or questions? In TDOT, do you see that innovation coming through in construction projects, in value engineering or other methods? No? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Depends on the state's value engineering program, but design build provides that opportunity for it to happen up front.